Hey tech friends, welcome back into tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to download GitHub on your mobile device. So let's dive into our video. First of all, open your Google Play Store on your mobile device. But if you are in OS, open App Store and there search for GitHub. So I will show in this GitHub. So now you can see here install option is there. So tap on this. Now it's downloading. After that, it's installing. Now for the security purpose, it will scan. Now you can see here open option is there. Tap on open. So in this way, you can download that GitHub on your mobile device. For sign up and sign in, I will show it in next video. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below.